Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels if it's not loading on PC or laptop. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first option right here, tap on the three horizontal lines or three dots, depending on your browser. Okay, so go ahead over to settings right here and just find the settings called under system. We have here use graphic acceleration when available. Make sure that this one is enabled, and then once that's done, close the browser, reopen it, and test your Instagram Reels. If that will work, close the browser, go ahead and find your search bar and type down appearance, just like so, and then click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. So click on it, and whatever you choose from these options, just make sure that animate controls and elements inside the Windows is enabled. Okay? Again, enabled. And then once that's done, click on apply, click on OK. And then after that, just open up Instagram Reels and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix Instagram Reels if it's not loading on PC or laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.